In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new expense transaction in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of how to efficiently track your expenses in QuickBooks, helping you keep your business finances organized and up to date. Let's start by navigating to QuickBooks on your web browser. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. Once you've landed on the QuickBooks homepage, proceed to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. If you're unfamiliar with the interface, don't worry. QuickBooks is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can access all your accounting needs with ease. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on the screen. Here, you'll see several options related to different aspects of your business's finances. For today's task, focus on the Expenses and Bills tab. Clicking here will take you to the section where you can manage all your expenses and vendor information. Now it's time to create a new expense. Look for the button or link labeled New Transaction on the top right of the page and click on it. This will produce a drop-down menu offering various options for the kinds of transactions you can record. Among these, select Expense. This action will open a new window or page dedicated to inputting the details for your upcoming expense record. In this new window, you'll be asked to enter specific details about the expense you're recording. Take a moment to gather all necessary information before entering it into the database. This includes the date of the transaction, the vendor's name, and the expense amount. Additionally, QuickBooks allows you to categorize each expense, making it easier for tracking and reporting. Use descriptive categories that align with your business needs, whether it's office supplies, travel expenses, or something else relevant. If you have any receipts or documentation associated with the expense, QuickBooks also provides an option to attach these files, ensuring all your financial records are neatly consolidated in one place. After inputting all the necessary details and double-checking for any potential errors, you're ready to finalize. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Save button located at the bottom or top right of the page. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a new expense transaction in QuickBooks. This straightforward yet powerful process is an essential part of managing your business finances, ensuring you can easily track and report expenses whenever needed. Remember, regular updates to your financial records make accounting and tax season a breeze. Keep up the great work, and you'll have an organized system in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.